Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make public events heroic destiny step by step. Head to the event zone early, pick a balanced fire team, and agree roles. Move together to clear ads fast, focus on priority targets, and save heavy for phases that spawn majors. Use supers sparingly for clutch moments, and assign revive and tether duties. Stay aware of patrol spawns and rotate to protect the objective when needed. Warm up your squad with a simple routine. Enter together, clear ads, then hold choke points to prevent reinforcements. Assign one player to stay mobile and kite, while others focus fire on majors and the boss. Use ability cooldowns on predictable phases and conserve heavy ammo for damage windows. Call out incoming patrols or reinforcements and reposition as a group to maintain event momentum and avoid unnecessary wipes. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more Destiny 2 tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite fits in a gaming bag and lets you read patch notes or guides while waiting on spawns, so it pairs oddly well with event downtime. It's lightweight, durable, and perfect for quick reads between matches. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Pick weapons that clear ads and cut through shields quickly, like a linear fusion for majors and a fast auto for trash. Choose subclasses that enhance team survivability or damage, and communicate who saves supers for burst windows. Keep ammo economy in mind. Share heavy when needed and use power ammo drops strategically. Rotate responsibilities so no one burns out, and keep callouts short and friendly to maintain tempo and focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.